Hello, 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 everybody. All right, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to multiply complex numbers, but using a different method called FOIL or called double distribute. All right, let's look at this first example. Obviously, we can tell that we are multiplying because there's no plus sign or minus sign in the middle of 2 minus 5i and 3 plus 7i. Before we start, though, make sure you remember, I squared equals -1. Anywhere you see I squared, you're going to plug in a -1 in place of it. All right, let's get started. So, just like with distributing, like if you had a number in front of something in parentheses, you remember how you were taught 2 times x gives you 2x, 2 times 4 gives you 8? Same thing here. So the first thing we're going to do is distribute that 2 into everything in that second parentheses. So 2 times 3 gives me 6. 2 times 7i gives me positive 14i. But now I'm going to do the same thing, but with -5i. So -5i times 3 equals -15i, and -5i times 7i equals -35i squared. Now, if you're asking yourself, where did I squared come from? Because I multiplied this I times that I, and it gave me I squared. Now, like what I said before, anywhere you see I squared, you're going to replace it with a -1. So we see an I squared right here, right? So we're going to replace that with -1 and bring everything else straight down. All right? And -35 times -1 equals positive 35. Then I'll just bring everything else straight down. All right, and then that last step, I'm going to combine like terms. So my like terms will be 6 plus 35, which equals 41. And then 14i plus -15i equals -1i. And that's it.